Hi guys, it's Nick from Ambrosa, and today I want to show you how to create content. Right now we are in our campaign, and to create content we click on this button. We can select here the channel. So I want to create ad content. The name, I call it content number 1. We can select the files. I want this one. We can type our text or we can generate it by AI. We can select the availability. Choose the availability in the time your campaign is also running. So I have a summer campaign, so I will do it in the summer. We can choose if it's shareable from app or not, and we can click on save. And when we save it, the content is available here.